So Aradhya, first of all, introduce yourself little bit to the audience.
My name is Aradhi Khandelwal. I study in 7th standard at New Sunrise Convent Higher Secondary School, Binaganj.
Okay. So you study at the 7th standard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay. So how many hours? I will ask you some personal question about your life. So are you ready? Okay.
Yes, I am ready.
So how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
You are 11 years old. Your tenses are clear?
Yes, my tenses are clear.
Okay. Can you tell me which helping verb do we use in present indefinite tense?
Present indefinite do does.
Okay, do does. Very good. So in past indefinite tense?
Did.
In future perfect tense?
Future perfect will have.
Okay. Which form of the verb do we use in present perfect tense? Which form of the verb do we use in present perfect tense?
Verb, third form.
Third form. Okay. And which helping verb do we use in past perfect tense?
Past perfect. Past perfect had.
Very good. So आप क्या कर रहे हो? ट्रांसलेट आपको ट्रांसलेट करना. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू ट्रांसलेट. आई विल स्पीक हिंदी एंड यू विल ट्रांसलेट. ओके. आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
आप वहाँ क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going there?
आपको वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए.
You should not go there.
आप वहाँ क्या करोगे?
What will you do there?
क्या आप खाना खाते हो?
Did you eat food?
क्या आप खाना खाते हो?
Do you eat food?
डू यू ईट फूड? आपने खाना कब खाया?
आपने खाया at what time you eat food?
एट वॉट टाइम डिड यू ईट फूड? एट वॉट टाइम डिड यू ईट फूड? मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I'm learning English.
आपको भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहिए.
You should learn English.
आपको भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहिए.
You should also learn English.
वेरी गुड. क्या आप किताब पढ़ रहे हो?
Are you learning? Are you reading book?
आप किताब क्यों पढ़ रहे हो?
Why are you reading book?
आपको किताब पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
You should not.
आपको किताब पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
You don't need to read book.
मुझे किताब पढ़ना पड़ता है.
I have to read book.
ओके. अच्छा, अब आप मुझे ये बताइए कि नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ टॉपिक एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट दैट टॉपिक. ओके. सो स्पीक समथिंग अबाउट बीनागंज. Where do you live? You live in Binaganj, right? So and you must have some knowledge about Binaganj. So speak 5 or 10 lines about Binaganj.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. First of all, Binaganj is my town, not so big, neither so small. And in Binaganj there are many shops, markets, and there are many temples to visit with family. And
Okay, which temples we can visit with family in Binaganj?
like Bagh Bageshwar, Amalai,
Okay.
and Ashram,
Okay.
and
Okay, that's all.
that's all.
Okay. And tell me more something about Binaganj.
Binaganj surrounded by villages and villagers come here to sell their crops, and there are many coachings.
Okay, tell me something about your school. In which school do you study?
I study in New Sunrise Convent Higher Secondary School.
Okay, can you tell me something about that?
New Sunrise School is the best school in Binaganj. There in my school 1,500 students.
Okay. In your school, 1,500 students are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And there are many educated teachers like you,
Okay.
and more. And there is my school is very good, not luxury, and very good in facilities. And there are many,
What kind of facilities
like
are
water
there?
facilities and
Water facilities. What is water facility? Water facility. Yeah. What kind of water facility?
water.
Explain.
There is water cooler, and there is where they purify the water very perfectly, and there are many laborers, and they are very honest. And in my classes there are smart classes. There are smart classes, and in my
Okay.
school, 40.
Aradhya,
40 school.
Aradhya, just tell me, when you didn't join the classes, at that time, how was your English and now how is your English? मतलब मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ. Did you get my question?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay.
I don't after before joining your coaching, I don't know English.
I didn't know English.
I didn't know English. I also know. I know this only. This is book. Sir and ma'am teach us. Then we will learn and we will write in exam. We don't know what is the meaning of this.
Okay.
And right now I know English, so I can translate the sentences and I can read. I can explain the chapters. Right now I am very good in speak English.
You are very good. Okay, thank you so much. So, whatever you said, can you please speak in Hindi so that other people can understand?
मैंने
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था, मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि जब आपने क्लासेस ज्वाइन नहीं की तब आपकी इंग्लिश कैसी थी, और जब अब आपकी इंग्लिश कैसी है, और ये जो आपने इंग्लिश सीखी है उसमें अब आपको क्या फ़ायदे मिल रहे हैं, उससे आपको क्या फ़ायदा हुआ है?
पहले जब मैं इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी तो बस हमें ये लगता था कि इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट नहीं, बस एक कुछ ऐसे ही है, और वो सर हमें पढ़ाएंगे, हम याद करेंगे और एग्ज़ाम में लिख आएंगे, हो गया। पहले ये था, और हमें मतलब चैप्टर्स क्लियरली आते थे समझ, पर इतने भी नहीं कि हम पूरा समझ सकते थे। और अब जो है मैं अपने खुद से समझ सकता हूँ कि क्या है चैप्टर में। ऐसा है कि मैं खुद से एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकता हूँ और बच्चों को या फिर किसी और को समझाना हो तो।
मतलब आपको लगता है कि अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को नहीं आ रहा है तो आप उसकी हेल्प भी कर देते हो, राइट?
यस।
मतलब आपको सब कुछ समझ में आता है कि क्या कुछ लिखा हुआ है, कुछ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स भी होते हैं वो
डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स जो वो टीचर से पूछ लेते हैं।
अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, नेक्स्ट